Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Hyundai Sonata key fob. This easy method will help you replace a dead battery quickly. You will need just two items: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 3-volt coin cell battery. This entire process should take you less than 5 minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. First, locate the small notch on your key fob. This is usually found on the side or at the bottom, often near where the emergency key slides out. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twisting motion, you will hear a slight click as the two halves of the key fob case begin to separate. Continue prying gently around the seam. Once the key fob is open, you will see the small, round battery inside. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver. Pay close attention to how the old battery was oriented. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces down. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully insert it into the compartment, making sure the positive side is facing the correct direction. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the case, making sure all the buttons are properly seated. Press the halves firmly together until you hear them click and snap securely into place. Once reassembled, head to your vehicle and test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking, unlocking, and the trunk release. You should be good to go.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.